Welcome to Wax Off. My name is Robina Rayasat and I'm a hearing aid audiologist. I'll be talking through our earwax removal videos, so let's see some wax. This patient, let's call her Egret. Egret knew she had a blockage of wax inside both ears because she could feel the movement of wax when she lay down, and she described the feeling of squelching inside her ears, which was just the wax moving around as she also moved. Now, I start off with the procedure showing the suction tip holding on to the wax, but it's actually stuck inside the ear canal due to a number of reasons. And firstly, the little hairs that we have inside the outer part of the ear canal, you can see to the left of the plug that there's quite a few stuck in the surface there, so it's stopping the plug moving forward. Now, these hairs play a really important role in the protection of the eardrum and the delicate areas deeper in the ear canal. Amongst the stickiness of the oils produced in that area help to trap dirt, debris and other things that might want to get into the ear, including insects and spiders. So Egret has a good number of hairs inside her ear canal. She'll unlikely be saying, "Oh, a spider in my ear." So at this stage, I've oiled the ear to increase the slippage of the blockage out of the ear. You can see that Egret's ear canal is narrowing and then getting larger, and there's some movement of the width of the canal opening as I pull out the blockage. As you can see here, it's quite narrow, and as soon as we put the suction probe on the surface, it's pulling it out and it's getting wider as I'm gently bringing the blockage closer out of the ear. We're going to try this a couple of times before we switch tack to get this blockage out. A little bit of skin just come away from the main blockage there, but still stuck. Now, I'm modifying my movements here, modifying the small wiggling movements out of the ear and trying to catch on to an area that allows it to come out. Now, this is a closer view of the procedure, and those who have a keen eye will notice that the ear canal looks slightly bigger. And the reason why this is because I had someone actually open up the ear canal by gently pulling on the ear, and it actually worked. Egret's blockage came out nicely. Now here's the final shot of the left side. Nice looking eardrum, everything looks good here, and we have a little bit of oil just at the bottom which will be absorbed by the ear canal skin and will go at some point. Now it's time to work on the right side. This side had been really well pre-oiled by Egret. You can see the wax consistency is quite runny. I would consider this a partial blockage because you can see the eardrum peeping through on the left hand side of the screen. Now I'm immediately going in and suctioning the wax, which is coming away very quickly and nicely in large lumps. So just there, quite a large amount coming away on the end of the suction probe there. So if we now go back in, there's an area at the top of the screen where I couldn't quite get the angle to show you just how easily it attached to the end of the suction probe. So that's quite a large amount, and it came away really nicely, really easily. So there's an area still at the top of the screen where I'm going to attempt to remove a keratin layer, but it's not quite ready to come off, and you can see a very thin transparent skin layer there which comes up and then kind of goes back down again, and it doesn't really need to come off, so we can leave it as it is. So here's the final shot of the right eardrum. Similar to the left side, it looks happy and healthy, and Ygritte no longer felt the squelching which she'd felt for months before this. So thank you for watching this episode of Wax Off. I really appreciate the lovely comments I'm reading in the comments section, and please do keep sharing, liking and subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.